Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to change the zoom increments for the Magnifier tool in Windows 10. The Magnifier tool is a built-in accessibility feature that allows you to zoom in on your screen for better visibility. Let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then, click on Settings. This will open up the Settings menu. Step 2. In the Settings menu, click on Ease of Access. This will take you to the Ease of Access settings. Step 3. Inside the Ease of Access settings, click on Magnifier. This will open up the Magnifier options. Step 4. Under the Change Zoom Increments section, you will see a drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down menu to view the available zoom increment options. Step 5. From the drop-down menu, choose the desired option for the zoom increments. You can select a smaller increment for more precise zooming or a larger increment for quicker zoom changes. And that's it. You have successfully changed the zoom increments for the Magnifier tool in Windows 10. Now, you can customize the zoom level to better suit your needs and preferences. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.